Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be making something for the Year of the Tiger. I was initially going to skip this, but then I suddenly had more time available and was able to quickly write up a pattern for it. Now, as you can see, I'm laying out the pieces you need to make this little guy. This includes the ears, the arms, the tail and legs. And as usual, I'll be working from the legs upwards. I start by joining the legs together and move slowly up the body towards the ears and eventually the top of the head. I'm going to keep quiet now and just let you watch, since the rest is pretty simple from here on out and needs very little explanation. I will include text cues where appropriate, but I'll join you when something significant happens. Enjoy! The tail at this point can go anywhere since it's symmetrical right now. I usually choose the beginning of rounds just because it's easier for me, but technically I could have chosen to place the tail somewhere towards the end of the round. Either way, once the tail goes in, that locks the orientation of everything else. Not so much the arms, but certainly the eyes and the direction the amigurumi will be facing. Time to surface crochet the dress. I was aiming for a cross between a pinafore and a tutu, well, because why not? But actually, I was going to give him overalls, but changed my mind last minute and decided on a tutu, so I just combined both ideas into one. Does that make that a pinna tutu or a tutu for... Wait, what? Once the head is complete, it's pretty much a case of adding the facial features and locking them into place before stitching the ears on. The last step is to add some tiger stripes across the back and the top of the head. Anyway, we are now very close to the end, and I'd like to say thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and leave a comment, and if you enjoy my content, consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that bell button to be notified whenever I upload, and now it's time to enjoy the beauty shots. See you in the next one. Bye!